In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to show you how to replace the battery. What do you need? A screwdriver, a spudger, a container to put the screws in, and a new battery. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. The first step is to take out the screws. Now it's time to take out the spudger. Put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure. Do the same with the other side. You can carefully remove the bottom case now. Unscrew the 4 screws. Disconnect the battery gently. You can remove the battery. Take the new battery and replace it. Place the 4 screws back. Reconnect the battery. Place the bottom case back. Make sure that you position the bottom case properly. The final step is to put screws back in place.